In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an internal wiki in ClickUp. A lot of teams look for a dedicated wiki button, but in ClickUp, the magic happens inside Docs. Docs give you everything you need for a clean, searchable knowledge base, with pages, subpages, and a sidebar that behaves just like a traditional wiki. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and looking to the left sidebar. If you don't immediately see the option you need, expand the navigation and open the More menu. From there, choose Docs. This takes you to the central hub where all your workspace documentation lives, which is the perfect starting point for building an internal wiki. Once you're in the Docs area, you can either import existing documentation or start fresh. Importing is great if you're moving from another tool and want to keep your history intact. If you're building a new wiki, select New Doc. Before you begin, glance at the location to make sure the doc is saved in the right space or folder so the right people can find it later. Give your new doc a clear descriptive title that reflects its purpose, like Company Wiki or Team Handbook. Consistent naming helps with search and sets the tone for how your wiki will be organized. If your organization uses prefixes or versioning in titles, follow that pattern here to keep everything tidy. Now start writing the body of your first page. Open with a short introduction that explains what the wiki covers and who it's for. Use headings to break content into logical sections, such as policies, processes, tools, and FAQs. ClickUp Docs support rich formatting, so make your content skimmable with headings, short paragraphs, and clear callouts. Keep in mind that Docs autosave, so you won't lose your work. To expand your wiki, add additional pages. Click Add page from the sidebar within the doc, then give the new page a specific title and fill in the body. Create one page per topic to keep content focused and easy to navigate. You can build a hierarchy by adding subpages for related details, and you can rearrange pages by dragging them in the sidebar. As you write, consider referencing related pages by name to help people move between topics quickly. Over time, this creates a cohesive, intuitive knowledge system. That's it. By using docs, organizing your titles, structuring clear content, and adding pages for each topic, you'll have a functional internal wiki in ClickUp that's easy to maintain and even easier for your team to use.